today we are going to make a Spanish mackerel with soy sauce glazed, and we are going to broil it. And this Korean soy sauce is going to be with Korean chili pepper powder, which will just compensate to taking out the fishy smell in the fish. It's not going to be really spicy per se. So let's start making. So this is Spanish mackerel. I got it from Korean market. This is a Korean brand. So let's open it up. You will see this is nicely cleaned and all ready to cook Spanish mackerel. I'm just going to cut into 1/3 to the 3 pieces. There. For the sweet potato, I'm just going to peel 1 centimeter. So actually it turned out a lot more sweet potatoes. So I'm going to just take this half out, and we are going to broil it with the soy sauce. So here is the sauce combination: 3 tablespoons of mirin, Asian cooking alcohol. You can find it in the local market these days very easily. And so 3 tablespoons of mirin, and this is Korean brand of soy sauce which is called Guk Ganjang. 4 tablespoons of Guk Ganjang, and 2 tablespoons of this is brown sugar, fine brown sugar, and this is 1 teaspoon of Gochugaru, Korean chili pepper powder, and this is 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. If 1.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Put all of them into a bowl and then mix it together. I'm just moving around so that everyone can see it better. Okay. So here is our sauce. So in this kind of pan, I'm just going to put, I wish this is more like thicker, like a real alive, fresh, just catched Spanish mackerel. There's something that you can get it from in Korea, inside of Korea. Okay, I think this is pretty low everywhere. Okay, and I'm going to put the sauce in. Okay. That's my rice cooker. It's just a hard Korean. What it means is the rice is done. I love the lady, rice cooker lady, I mean the voice. And yeah, so spread here. There. And I'm going to add water. So I'm adding water now. So I'm going to close and then wait until it boils up. In about 5 minutes on high heat, it starts to boil. So I'm going to put down the heat to low and then leave it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes on a low heat, because this Spanish mackerel was really kind of thin, it's almost done. As long as these sweet potatoes are done, this is done. So we will check right now. Yeah, you want to have the sweet potatoes to be cooked completely. Right now, it's, I think we still need 2 or 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Let's check again. Yeah. Yes, it's all done. Okay, now we are going to serve it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really easy but so delicious. We just had a meal with this Spanish mackerel and it was so good. My husband loved it too. So anyhow, we will subscribe and I will come back in a week. Okay, see you in the next week, next video. Bye.